Hi friends, today we will discuss a very important topic regarding literature, and that is literature is the best criticism of life. Okay, basically it is an essay. In this essay, the writer tries to define that how literature brings the ways for life. It tells us the right way how to survive, and also literature points out our shortfalls and weaknesses. आई होप ये ऐसे आपको कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए भी हेल्प करेगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो. In its outline there are 5 points. First paragraph is based on introduction. In second, third and fourth paragraph we will discuss the benefits, positive side of literature and shortcomings of lack of literature. And in fifth paragraph we conclude our whole topic with some recommendations and suggestions. Literature portrays true picture of life. It throws light on every aspect of life. Literature criticizes life for making it pure. This criticism is usually based on logic. Literature advises men to lead a balanced life. Masterpieces of literature and the realities of life are disclosed by writers which people do not bother. The writers have keen observation of life. Human beings come to know about their shortcomings and faults. They try to get rid of weaknesses of their character and personality. In this, literature lays the foundation of a balanced society. Hence, it can be said that literature criticizes life to give it perfection. Literature makes man intellectually strong. Man studies many writers in his life. He learns about the views of writers like Bertrand Russell and Francis Bacon. Both the writers are famous for their grip on issues of life. Bacon teach him the ways of achieving worldly successes. Bertrand Russell guides him about importance of rationality. Reader learns from experiences of such well-known writers. He gets intellectual excellence through their teachings. In the same way, literature sharpens man's analytical skills. The writer's opinion becomes reader's point of view. Reader starts analyzing the views of different writers logically. So literature makes him a critic who can compare one writer with other. Similarly, literature keeps morality alive in society. There is always stress on moral values in literature. The subject of literature is man and his life. It teaches man real ethics of life. Morally strong societies made progress by leaps and bounds. People are united in such societies. Those societies which left moral values did not prosper. When man reads such stories in literature, he tries to follow real moral values in his life. Furthermore, literature is full of lessons. People come to know about success and failure of different persons in society. When a reader studies Hamlet, he realizes the cause of Prince Hamlet's downfall. Tragic flaw in Hamlet's character teaches reader to avoid it in his real life. When one reads Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, one decides that humbleness, not pride, leads to success. So literature guides man by portraying a true picture of life. Literature bridges the gap between man and nature. It throws light on life of hurry and worry in 21st century. It discusses that man has become a machine. He always runs behind the money. He wants to become rich overnight. He has left his realities for his greedy behavior. Finally, he has money but no happiness. It discloses that modern man is materialistic. He is heading towards destruction. There is no care and respect among people for one another. There is less concern for knowledge. Family system is about to collapse. Modern man is disappointed and hopeless. Literature brings such faults far to light for betterment of man. And when people read such literature, they realize their mistakes and get closer to nature. In the light of foregoing facts, it is imperative to say that literature is the best criticism of life. It aims to make life better. It shows both sides of picture. Literature makes a man realist. It is the true completion of life. Literature brings all our weaknesses before us. Literature throws out all the impurities of life. It teaches man real manners of life. It protects man from outdated customs and traditions and keeps him updated in this modern world. It can be summed up that life would have been dull and dark and drab without literature. It is literature which has revolutionized human life by criticizing and correcting its negative aspects. I hope you have enjoyed this informative video. If yes, then please subscribe our channel, like this video and write in comment for any topic that you want to know. Thank you.